Clarisil Pro reviews. Can it support healthy hearing? Test results. The quest to preserve hearing is a journey that many of us face, and Clarisil Pro presents itself as an ally on this path. This supplement is formulated to offer a combination of specific nutrients, a kind of hearing elixir, which aims to not only prevent hearing loss, but also enhance the body's natural hearing function. It is crucial to understand that although Clarisil Pro is a valuable tool, it is not a universal panacea and should not be considered a substitute for medical treatments. Just as a shield can protect a warrior, Clarisil Pro plays a defensive role, providing the elements necessary to strengthen hearing health. On the battlefield against hearing loss, Clarisil Pro is like a set of armor that offers protection to your ears. However, just as a wise warrior does not rely solely on armor, it is critical to take a holistic approach. Keeping your ears dry is like protecting armor from corrosion, avoiding loud noises is like avoiding direct attacks, minimizing the use of headphones is like not overloading the armor, ensuring its continued effectiveness. Furthermore, incorporating practices like yoga or meditation is comparable to training the mind to become more resilient, while quitting smoking is like eliminating poisons that can corrode not just the armor but the entire auditory system. Clarisil Pro, therefore, is not just an isolated tool, it is an integral part of a broader arsenal in the fight for hearing preservation. Just as a gardener takes care of his plants, it is necessary to nourish the body with specific foods to promote hearing health. Spinach, kale, broccoli, folate, B vitamins, these are the natural fertilizers that feed the roots of hearing. By including these foods in the diet, we are offering our auditory system the nutrients it needs to thrive, just as a garden flourishes when fed with the right elements. However, just as a garden needs constant care, our hearing also requires continuous attention. Regular consultation with an otolaryngologist is comparable to a professional garden inspection. Even though Clarisil Pro and the nutrient-dense diet may be like daily maintenance, the knowledge and guidance of an expert is like the wisdom of a master gardener. On a hearing journey, prevention is as vital as intervention. If, despite all the care and preventive strategies, serious hearing problems arise, it is imperative to seek advice from a specialist. Here the analogy shifts to seeking a wise counselor in times of trouble. An otolaryngologist is like the wise old man who, with wisdom and experience, can offer specific advice to address hearing challenges. Ultimately, Clarisil Pro is not just a supplement, it is a companion on the journey towards hearing preservation. Just as a navigator relies on his compass for guidance, those seeking to maintain hearing health can count on Clarisil Pro as a reliable guide. However, just as a navigator does not neglect other navigation tools, the approach to hearing health must be holistic and comprehensive. In short, Clarisil Pro is like a shield on the hearing battlefield, offering protection against the enemies of hearing loss. However, it is essential to complement this defense with healthy practices, a balanced diet and expert guidance. Prevention is key, but when significant hearing challenges arise, seeking professional assistance is imperative. Product link in comments.